Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Conan Exiles enhanced game, network error, connection failed error, can't connect to server error on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now first of all, before performing any of the fixes, first check the server status of Conan Exiles enhanced game. If you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check. In the meantime, you can follow these fixes. First fix is to reset the internet connection. So in Windows search, type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to type this code one by one. Just copy this code and then paste it over here and then hit on enter. I will provide this CMD code in my video description so that you can easily copy and paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy this last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. And then type exit and then hit enter. Now restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. It is a must. You must restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and task under network and internet. Then click on your connected internet. Then click on properties. Then select the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and then click on properties. Now select the option use the following DNS server addresses and in the preferred DNS type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK, then close it and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to reset network settings. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on network and internet. Then click on advanced network settings. Then click on network reset and then click on reset now. And here it will ask network reset. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Click yes to confirm. And after the network reset has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Fix 5 is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare, etc. And then connect to a different location than your current location. And after connecting to different location, launch the game and check. If already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Conan Exiles enhanced game, network error, connection failed error, can't connect to server error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.